Hey Mike, where's my rent?
Not now, man.
Not now? What do you think, you're hot shit?
Just leave me alone, alright?
Where's my rent?
You'll get your rent when you fix my damn room!
What's wrong with your room?
What's wrong with my room? Every night I'm in my room restless, and you guys are out here having a laugh, having a blast, having no idea the pain that you're inflicting on me. There's mice frolicking in my ceiling. Matt is constantly watching pornos, and I hear it through our razor-thin walls, and I've got a demon watching me in my sleep from my closet.
A demon, huh? What are you, 4?
You have no idea what I go through every night.
Look, man, I'm not the landlord, okay? I just need the money.
I don't care. It's not about the money. It's never been about the money. It's about sending a message.
What message?
There's a new alpha in town. And he just got let off the leash!
I hear you crying in your room at night. You think your pillow mutes it, but we all hear it. Some alpha you are, huh? Pal.
The wars that go on in my room at night, the war crimes I commit, you don't know. You don't even care.
I don't even care? Whose arm did you cry into when your parents died in that roller coaster accident, huh? Mine. I can't let you get close.
I'm inside you, Jake. Your mind is my jungle gym. My seed is in your mind. I am the alpha!
Why does there always have to be an alpha? Why can't we all just get along?
There always has to be an alpha. A man to take control!
But what about democracy?
Democracy died in Dallas! 1963.
So there can only be one?
Only one.
So how are we gonna settle this, huh?
The only way we know how.